Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one. This is Samsung Galaxy A10e and it is from Crooked Wireless. I saw this one is on sale for $79.99 instead of $99.99 regular price. And you guys are probably wondering what am I doing with this Hot Wheels. So as you know, we have a reward program with Best Buy. So at first I was trying to use the $20 reward toward this cell phone, but unfortunately they say it's two different accounts. You cannot combine it. So this is the price that I paid for the phone, $64.99 plus tax, $5.68. It shows original price is $99.99, discount $20. So I use a Best Buy certificate, $15 reward card. So the total damage is $70.67 for this phone. So I got the other one, which is a $5 reward card. So it says original price $5.49 minus $5. So the sales tax based on the 49 cents is 4 cents. So the total I paid for this package for the Hot Wheel is 53 cents. So you cannot go wrong with that. So anyway, this is X Racer from Hot Wheel. And this was the only one left, so I just grabbed it. So you got the Monte Racer, carbonator, drift rod, stock car, Blitz speeder. And this is by Mattel. So yeah, I'm not gonna open this one because probably gonna give it as a gift. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Because they offer unlimited talk and text and data access. They use AT&T network, and this is 4G LTE. So it covers 99% of all Americans. So the whole United States, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and then partial of the Alaska. Mexico and Canada included on unlimited plan. So the light green, that means no coverages. The dark green, they have coverages. So I'm not sure about the black. Oh, let me open the spec real quick. So this one is a 5.83 HD plus display. You got the 8 megapixel on the rear and then 5 megapixel on the front. It's an Android operating system. It's a 9.0 Pi. This one has a 3000 mAh battery. So the box contains phone, charger, SIM card, and USB cable. So it's wrapped in a plastic bag. I thought it was sealed with in there or something. So let's go in and see what we got real quick. And this is the term and condition of service. Come with this Samsung adapter, AC to USB Type A. And this one is the USB Type C charging cable, which is good. Then they come with a SIM card. You have to install it. So I'm not sure if they come with the SIM card tool. So sorry, somebody just rang the bell. So anyway, then this is a Samsung Galaxy A10e. Ooh, about the term and condition and health and safety informations. And then you got the quick start guide. Oh, there's a SIM card eject tool right here. Looks like a paper clip. Let's go ahead and take this one out, pop it out. So it's wrapped in this plastic sleeve. I'm gonna take it out. Wow, look at that. It's pretty nice. So you got the volume rocker right here, up and down, and your power switch right here. So there's your 5 megapixel right there. And then your 8 megapixel with the LED flash. And then there's your Crooked branding right here. And then a Samsung right here. So this is a 32 gigabyte of storage. And then another microphone right there on the bottom. Got your speaker grill, your USB Type-C, and then a 3.5 millimeter jack right there. Well, anyway, I need to set this up. So you will need to check on all of those and then click on next. Bring your old data for a quicker setup. You could connect it through a wireless cable and a USB connector, or skip for now. I'm gonna skip it. Then you gotta log on to your home Wi-Fi network. So anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. Hopefully I could do some review later on because I'm pretty busy and stuff like that. Wow, so this one has a face recognition, pattern, pin, or password to protect your phone. But there's no fingerprint scanner. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.